Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Alessandra and today I have the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Morphe palette. I did a quick review, some swatches, and I did this makeup look, which is a recreation of her campaign photo shoot. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching and stick to the end because I have a giveaway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications and stay tuned. I also grabbed some of her brushes, Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, the Eye Master Collection, which is fine because I'm only going to be doing my eyes. I woke up today and I was like, yep, I want to be Jaclyn. I almost dyed my hair, like, I don't know. Thank God I didn't do that because I'm that crazy. Like, I would just go to the hair salon and cut and dye my hair black just because I wanted to be Jaclyn. And I would instantly regret it once my blonde roots came out. But that's okay. I didn't do that. But I did go out and get her palette and brushes, so that's good enough. I'm gonna use all of these on my eyes today when I'm recreating the look. And then for her palette, it says that some of these are eyeshadows and some of these are pressed pigments. So that means that some of these are going to be bomb. So her palette retails for $39. Now for Morphe that is a little expensive, but in general that is not bad. There are 35 colors here for $39. I used to work in Bloomingdale's as a beauty advisor, and I used to sell like 4 eyeshadows for Dior for $62 or $72 depending on the eyeshadow, compared to 35 shadows for $39. This is what the palette looks like. It's glossy, so it's gonna be easy to clean. It is her classic white, which is very pretty. The range is amazing. So to me, some people might think this is not wearable, but it has everything for everyone. And then Jaclyn wrote something to us, which is really cute also. My previous video was my go-to night out makeup, and I used the original Jaclyn Hill palette. So if you want to see that look, it is in the link below. I'm gonna get right into the look. You guys want to see what this palette could do, right? When I was at Morphe, they told me this was her new brush collection. I mean, I believe them, but this is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30. Okay, new. This is my old Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30. Is she using old brushes? I'm confused. Maybe I misunderstood, but I don't think so. Because I also see another brush that I definitely have, but I definitely don't have this one. So is she mixing them and just using her favorite brushes and made her own collection? Someone comment below and explain to me what's going on, because I'm confused why I have some of these brushes and I don't have some of the other ones. If she just made a new collection and used some of her old favorites and some of her new brushes and put them together. Let me know. No joke. Now she looks like she has this pretty much everywhere. I don't want this to fall everywhere. I'm just gonna put my shadow shield on. Wow, this color is stunning. And she has it all the way over here too. That's what I love. Then I'm gonna take a JH32 with some Perfectionist. Just a little bit. Just in here mostly. I feel like she has some warmth in here. Just a little bit. A JH33. Back to No Joke. It's a little bit flat, this brush. I like it. It's like an in-between blending brush. Pretty cool. And then back over the warm shade I just put over here because it doesn't look too warm. It's just that like hint. So now I'm going to take a Plouise Base. I'm just going to put it on my lid. JH41. I'm doing this because I get the impression that the yellow and the pink on her eyelids are more intense than the colors on her crease. And I know that it's the same yellow. So that means that she probably used a different base. Same brush, back into No Joke. See how vibrant that looks? Pressing it on. Now that I have a yellow on, she has that pink going through her eye. I'm not sure if she used a pink eyeliner and then went over with her eyeshadow, but I don't have pink eyeliner, and if I use brown eyeliner, I think it would mess up her pink. So I'm just gonna go with the pink from her palette, JH43, and I'm gonna go in with a color Oh Hello. I think that this would be too red and these would be too purple. It is actually pretty thick over here in the inner corners. She has pretty thick eyelashes on, so she probably wanted to make sure you could see all that pink. JH42, same color. Jaclyn has pink pretty deep under her eyes, connecting to her wing. Oh Hello. Tap off your excess, especially if you've done your base like me. JH42, which is a precise brush, a draw. And she goes all the way in. Connect that line. A JH40, Dance Party. Just a little bit under the eyes, and we're gonna take it down. Is it a Jaclyn Hill look without a heavy under eye? Hers looks a little bit deeper than mine, so I'm going to go back into the palette. Crazy. JH43. And I'm going to touch my line. A JH39. And we're going to highlight with I'm In It. It's an iridescent pink under the brow. This color right in here. I think Jaclyn definitely had some black eyeliner going on, so I'm going to use Max Mulder eyeliner to set that eyeliner. Temptress, which I'm noticing now has a little bit of sparkle in it, which is cute. Alright, so I have my lashes on, so now I'll do a side by side. I just wanted to state that I truly love the palette. I wasn't sent these palettes. I bought them on my own. I love number 1 and I absolutely love number 2. This is the look that I followed from her photo shoot and I love how it came out, and I'm going to do many more looks, so stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notifications so you can see when new looks come out. I'm going to do plenty more. There are so many looks from wearable to stuff like this that you will end up seeing soon, so keep tuned. And I'm gonna go back to the giveaway. This is not gonna be an international giveaway, US only, just because I can't afford to do international at the moment. I'm still a small YouTuber. So for the giveaway, this is a great opportunity because everyone knows that the Jaclyn Hill palette sells out super fast. So enter my giveaway to get the Jaclyn Hill palette, but not only the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're giving you a blending brush because you guys need to blend your looks. With the purchase, I also got a tote. So I wanted you guys to feel like you're purchasing it. So you're getting a tote a blending brush, and the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette from me. So to enter my giveaway to get the palette, the tote, and the brush, this is what you're going to have to do. Also, I just want to mention that I did link in my description my Instagram and what you do have to do as well. But basically what you have to do is you're going to have to go to my Instagram, you're going to have to like and comment on my picture, and you're going to have to follow my Instagram. And I know some people are going to be like, why are you doing it on Instagram if this is YouTube? But that is because I know that some of the people who watch me on YouTube do not have YouTube channels, so that's why. But if you do have a YouTube channel, that's great, because if you want to subscribe, put on your post notifications while doing all those other steps, that counts as an extra entry. So if you like, comment, and follow me on Instagram, and then subscribe to me and turn on your post notifications on YouTube, that is 2 entries. This is going to be done randomly. I'm going to use an app to pick you. I wish everyone the best of luck, and I will let everyone know who won on March, which is a Sunday, which is the days I usually post. So good luck. If I had to rate this palette 1 to 5 stars, it'd be a complete 5 stars from me. Everything is top notch. There's not one thing that I would completely change about this palette.